Hello everyone, Joel Tooth again, and today I'm in Deshler, Ohio. I came up here to the Railroad Diamonds, and Deshler has a population of 1,588 and comprises an area of about 2.3 square miles. So it's not very big, and they've got railroad diamonds right over here behind me. There's two diamonds right over there. Just to the left of the diamonds is where they tore down the train station last summer. They tore that down, and it's my first visit here since they tore that down. The town is right over here. That's the main part of town. And we've got a train coming to my left right now. It's an eastbound train. So go ahead and start the video, son. Here we go. Downtown Deshler, Ohio. Horn salute. That was cool. Was that awesome or what? Man, that was a long one right there. Both of those trains were long, but that's one of the longest coke trains I've ever seen. I did see a coke train longer than that when I was in Canova, West Virginia. I've only seen one longer than that. They're really going to make some steel somewhere. That was really cool. 2 trains passing right in a row. Look at this. 3-track crossing. The diamonds are straight ahead right over there. The old train station used to be there. It's gone. And the main part of town is right over here. Where that truck's going, right in the heart of the town here. Deshler. Over 1,500 people live here, 2.32 square miles. All right, that was pretty cool. I got lucky for that. 2 trains passing right in a row. Thanks for watching, everyone. Let's see what else we can catch. We'll catch something else. And I just now happened to spot a caboose. I come here about once a year, and I did not know that this caboose was here. But look at this. There's a caboose right over there. Let's go ahead and have a closer look at it. There you go, an old bay window caboose. Old Baltimore, Ohio caboose. Hey, does anyone know anything about this caboose? Let's have a look at it here. Let's check the C side. Cool, look at that. Now, when I was on the fire department, the A side would be the side that you're facing. So freight cars may not be the same way. I'd have to check. So the C side would be the back side when you're on the fire department, when you had a structure fire or something. There you go. We walked all the way around that caboose. That's cool looking. I've never seen that here. Does anyone know anything about it? How long has it been here? Where did it come from? When was it built? Leave a comment down there below. And let's see what else we can get into. But wait, there's more. There always is. I want to show you these color position signals here. These are old, really old, ancient Baltimore and Ohio Railroad color position signals. And they're still in use. How many places can you find these things still in use? Check this out. There's a cantilever one way down that way. You might be able to see it sticking up just barely. I'll have to move to my right a little bit to get that one. So this is the Toledo sub. I'm looking southbound, and the trains on this line head towards Cincinnati. They go down to Queens Gate. And we got a train coming right now, and I believe it's going to be coming around the Y over here. The diamonds are straight ahead, and then the east leg of the Y connects these 2 CSX lines together, and I believe that this train is coming around that way. I'm gonna walk up that way a little bit closer and see if that's where it's at. Here we go. Oh, it's not coming around. Well, there's the diamond. Wish I was over that way a little bit closer. Really hoping to get a train coming on around this Y track. I want to see one come by these signals, see these signals in use. That's what I'm hoping for. There's 1960 Gambit on the scene. Let's get up here a little closer. That's it. Well, okay. There's a diamond right there. Alrighty, well, I was hoping for a train to come around this track next to me over here on the Toledo sub. That train you just now saw was going westbound. And if you like to fish, here's a good place to hang out and wait for trains. Right here, look at this, it's pretty nice. Big fishing lake right here. And you got the water towers right behind it. The old defunct tower on the left and the new and use one on the right. Pretty cool stuff. Thanks for watching.
But wait, there's more!
Check out the size of this rail here. This is some big rail. Have you ever seen rail this big? 141 pounds per yard. See right there? I'm sitting on this gravel road right next to it. And this rail was rolled in, what's it say, 2005. 4 dashes, that's April. Rolled in April of 2005. So this rail has seen a lot of trains. 141 pounds per yard. That's a pretty good size rail. I see a 136 pound rail all the time, but I don't see much of the rail at 141. That's some really heavy stuff there. All right, we do have a train coming southbound on the Toledo sub. It's not coming around the curve, but it's coming straight down from Toledo. And it's getting ready to cross the main street in town right now. So it's going to come across the diamond up that way. You might be able to see it here in just a minute. There they go, diverging over from one track to the other track. That was cool. Look at those old Baltimore, Ohio color position lights. Are those cool or what? Not many of those left anymore. If you know where there's some of those, let me know. I'd like to see them. I want to film as many of those as I can while I can. That was pretty good. That was a good train. Unit steel slabs train headed southbound. Look how far away that is. I really zoomed that one in. All right, that was a good one. Thanks for watching, everyone. I appreciate everybody's support. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe right now. You'll be notified of all the videos I'll put up. I'll put up a bunch of them. I also got a lot of shorts. Check out my shorts. I'm always putting those up. Sometimes I'll put 4 or 5 up in a day. Sometimes I'll put 1 up in a day. But I usually put up 1 long video. You know, not counting the shorts. I usually put up 1 long video every day. Oh, 5, 6 days a week, something like that. Every once in a while I'll take a day off. But hopefully we'll catch another train up here. Let's see what else we can do. Wait, there's more. Got another train coming, folks. Eastbound this time. So we're gonna get a different shot. Hey, BNSF. Oh, it's gonna be a good one. I think they saw me. Got a shave and a haircut. I'm up on a big pile of rock. Wow, that was cool. Man, that was a good one. They really hit those diamonds hard. They pound on those things. Takes a lot of maintenance. And if you're wondering what those lightning bolts are on the locomotives, that means that the locomotives are AC powered. Now, back early in the 50s, I believe it was, they had lightning bolts on the locomotives, and it meant that they were radio equipped. But today, that means that they're AC powered. And check out that signal right there, that old Baltimore and Ohio signal. I got a great view of that right here. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. That was really cool. There's a baby blue jay right there. I just walked up to it. I thought there was something wrong with it, and it flew up in the tree. There's the other side of him. I walked right to him on the ground. Now I can't get close to him, so that's good. Hope he stays up there. There's a baby blue jay right there. I walked right up to it. It was on the ground. I could have touched it. I thought there was something wrong with it. And then it flew up into this tree. It's just a little baby one. Sure hope the cat doesn't find it. Might have to put the cat in the house for a little bit.